back to our channel. We are currently in our stockpile room, which has a ton of empty spots. We are actually going to be downsizing our stockpile today, so I am going to get rid of everything that we don't really use, that I'm no longer going to be reselling, because I'm not going to be doing any bundles on OfferUp anymore like I used to. What I'm going to do now for everything that I coupon, because obviously we're still going to be couponing to share the deals and all of that, I'm going to start putting them in like crates and boxes, and we're just gonna start donating them or selling them like as a whole bundle to other resellers. So that's what we're doing now. I'm only gonna keep the stuff that I know for sure we use and that we can use within, you know, 6 months to a year. So we're only gonna keep a little bit of the laundry products, probably get rid of the Gain, because I don't really use the Gain. I only use like Persil and then Tide. Maybe I'll keep like 3 or 4 of the Gain that I have there. Probably get rid of the Tide Pods because I don't use the Gain, well, the Gain Flings. And I probably will keep the Tide Pods because I do use that. So this is going to be a speed cleaning, downsizing the stockpile. Let's go. took about hours. That took me about a lot. I started like around in the afternoonish, like at 3, kind of. Yeah, I think like at 2:30ish, and it's almost, let's see, what time is it? I know it's almost like 10 o'clock. Nope, it is 10:46, guys. 10:46 p.m. 11 p.m. almost. That took me a long time, but I took a couple of breaks in between. One of them being because I bumped my belly on like carrying one of the boxes. I was carrying it and I didn't like, I don't know, I just like didn't see that the counter was there, and I bumped my belly, so the box went back and pushed back, and I was like and I felt like I couldn't breathe. But just to show you guys a quick preview, this is what we're working with. Complete downsize from what we had before. We have all the stuff that we mainly need, that we mainly use, that will get used within the next like 6 months or so to a year, you know, with the diapers, the detergent and all that. And I am going to be rotating, so as we get new ones, it's just going to be so much easier to maintain. I can just feel it. I hope it is. Because the other stockpile that we had, when we had like the 2 big shelves, the ones that I just cleared out, it was just too much, and I wasn't doing any reselling, and it was just building up. It was collecting dust, so we're getting rid of all that stuff. I have a ton of stuff laid out here, like the Arm & Hammer detergent, the Defy Downy damage beads. We're getting rid of all of that. The Gain pods, the Gain softener. I think I'm gonna make bundles and just like donate them, hand them out to like local street vendors. That's kind of what I want to do. Or maybe I'll post like on Instagram or on our Telegram chat. If you guys haven't joined, I do have the link all the way at the end card. You can just click there. I'll probably see if any, you know, locals that need stuff, I can just go ahead and give it to them, because I do have a lot of stuff, and like I said, I just don't have the time or energy to resell. So let me know what you guys think of the new stockpile. Stay tuned. We'll do a full stockpile tour and everything, and then I'll list all of the stuff that I have, like the pegboard, the hooks, the shelves, the little stackable bins, because I always get questions of where I get everything. So in the stockpile tour, I'll mention all of that, and I'll share the links for all of that stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.